Panchali on behalf of Srimohi, again coming with a new video. Today I am going to show daily wear kurtis. Okay, maximum of them are within 500. Few of them are above 500, but a maximum of them are within 500. Just to inform you that we are going to make videos or post videos in every 2 to 3 days in a week, and from now onwards it will be more frequent. Someday there will be regular wear kurti, someday there will be pant set or 3-piece set, bags, jewelries and so on. Okay, so you can easily buy from all these videos and give a screenshot this is the booking procedure. Give a screenshot with your name, location and pin code, of course, because we have to calculate the shipping. Shipping is only free for a single piece within West Bengal, but outside West Bengal shipping is required, because for more than 2-3 pieces the shipping will be about 120-150 approx. So it will be not easier for us to give free shipping all over India. Then I have to increase the rates as well. Just first of all, I am going to show some simple kurtis. These are long daily wear, office wear kurtis. This is just baby pink. This is baby pink, not white. This is baby pink with Chinese collar. This is the first one. Now pocket is there. Long length is more than, I'm just going to measure. The length will be, I think it will be 46 approx. Length is, yes, 44 is the length for this one. Okay, this is the first pure cotton, and this is weaving, self weaving is there. Okay, self weaving. If you want to make screenshot, you can easily take it. This is the first one. Size is available. Please mention the size accurately so that we can give you the actual product. This particular kurti is available in 42 and 44 size only. This is the first one, 42 and 44. Now going to the second one. These are all collar kurtis. These are again in the size of 42, 44 and also in 46. 3 sizes will be available in this type. Ikat print, length again 44, 43 to 44 length. This is collar, pure cotton with sequence work is there. Embroidery, this is just a hand embroidery with sequence. Not too loud. You can easily wear it office, college, anything. In formal wear, it's absolute. This is red ikat print is also there. These are, the previous one is within 530 is the range. This one is within 450 to 460. These are the pieces. This is the first color, mustard yellow with red combination. Now the second color, please take screenshot as early as possible, because these are fast moving items as these are daily wear. This is Rani pink with royal blue. This is the combination. Yes, this is the second one. Sizes 42, 44, 46. 3 sizes are available. Again royal blue, just the reverse. Royal blue with Rani. Royal blue with Rani. 450 to 460 is the range. You can easily, for single shipping, 2 to 3 pieces of single kurti we can make courier. Okay. Again, this is red with yellow, very vibrant color, pure cotton, no doubt about this cotton with yellow border is there, collar is there. This is the fourth piece. These are all actually daily wear. Actually, it's not possible for us to buy always the costly products or designer product. So we are going to share you with this. Now this is beautiful, just a beautiful piece. Size for plus size. This is for plus size. 4850. 4850. Sleeves are, I think it is inside. Sleeves are inside. Just a minute. Yes, short sleeves is attached inside. I think so. Just a minute. I have to check. Yes, short sleeve. Short sleeve is attached. Pure cotton. Pure cotton. Just see the color combination. Peach with green. Short sleeves is attached. If you wish, we will take some charges for that to attach it. Another color combination in the same design. This is grey with yellow. Very smart combination. Grey with yellow. And front pocket is there. This is just a designer pocket, not so. And its range will be within 330. 330 will be the range. For daily wear, it's beautiful. I think it's very, very beautiful. Now, these are all in the range of, those are also available, those pieces are also available in 46 also. In 46, these pieces are also available. Okay. Now the third design. This one, this is also in the range of 350, within 350. This is the piece and sizes are 44, 46, 48. Just a puff, small puff sleeve is there. Sleeve is actually not 3/4. It's up to, not up to elbow. Just the design is beautiful. Ajrak mix and match. But these are not pure vegetable dye ajrak, so the range is a little bit 44, 46, 48. Ajrak mix and match. This is the first color of this one. Next range is 330 to 340. Next this one. This is black with yellow. Ajrak mix and match. This is the combination. Black with yellow. Okay. This is the second one. Next, 3 pieces are available only now. Yellow with black. Yellow with black. This is the third piece. Okay. Now moving to the next item. This is within the range of 480. Beautiful embroidery is there. Just mix and match, and the size is 40, 42, 44. 3 sizes are there. 40 is also there. 40, 42, 44. This is the piece. Length again 42, 42, not 44. Length is 42. And see the work. This is ajrak. Here machine embroidery is done in one side. Another side is again ajrak mix and match patchwork is there. This is the piece. Okay. This is the first one. No pocket is there. Sorry, no pocket is there. This is the first one. Price is 480. 480 is the price. Next, second color of that design again. Rani with blue and yellow, mustard. And machine embroidery is there. This is the piece. 42 will be the length. In length, it will be 42. Size available 40, 42, 44. Now, going to the next design. In next design, there are varieties of sizes are there. Actually, the design is same, just the sizes going to be different. This is the piece Hakoba with ajrak print. This is also in the range of 400. Hakoba, pure cotton Hakoba. This one is Hakoba. Angrakha pattern is there. Hakoba, Angrakha pattern. Length will be 42 and this is the color. Black. This is not navy blue. This is black. This part is Hakoba and here this is pure cotton. Rest are pure cotton, fully cotton, and this is available in different sizes 40, 42, 44. Just the prints are going to be changed. Okay. The next print will be this one. Same design, just the print changes. See, this is the next print. Design is same, just the print changes. Size 40, 42, 44 for regular use. Now, going to a different product, mix and match, cambric cotton mix and match. All will be within range of 420 to 430. Excellent quality, just excellent quality. The first one is of size 38, 40, 42. 38, 40, 42. 3 sizes are available. Grey, pure cambric cotton. This is not just ordinary cotton. This is cambric cotton. This is the color. This is the block. Here is another block is there. Very sober combination. Very sober combination. Yes, one side pocket is also there. This is the first one. Length will be 42. First one. Size 38, 40, 42. Again, next one. Again size 38, 40, 42. Cambric cotton mix and match. This was the second. Yellow. Yellow with cream. Yellow with cream. Very comfortable for this summer. Actually, it's raining here, but Actually it is summer. Up to Puja I think the summer will go on. This is the second piece, size 38, 40, 42. It's all our ranges within 430. Next one, it's beautiful. Combination is just combination, not combination. This is a single block, but it's a designer piece. This is a lace in here. See the neckline. Here is also a lace. Here is also a lace. This is the block. Very sober combination. One side pocket is also there. 38, 40, 42. Three sizes are available. Plus sizes are also available, but I will not show it today. I will show it in different video. 48, 50 also available in different patterns also. This is the next piece. 38, 40, 42 again. 38, 40, 42. The very artful colors are these. Very urban artful colors. Okay, the palettes, just see the block. Beautiful block is there. Next, again 38, 40, 42, just the block changes. Mix and match of the previous first block, mix and match. This is the this is the piece. 38, 40, 42. For office wear who need regularly this type of cotton kurtis, just grab it. I will say just grab it. Again 38, 40, 42. Sea green. This is not blue. This is sea green with white. Sea green with white. One side pocket is there. Very smart combination is this. Now going to a next last design for today. Otherwise the video will get. Now Ajrak. Pure Ajrak. Size 44 and 46. Pure Ajrak. Just length will be 44. 44 will be the length. Very smart. Collar, Chinese collar is there. Here is a wooden button is there. Very smart. Very smart combination. 44, 46. This is the first pure Ajrak. Cambric cotton Ajrak. Next again 40, 42, 44. Three pieces, sleeves are attached inside. It's too long. It's approx 46 in length. Too long it is. Yes, this is the piece. Again, sleeves are attached inside. Short sleeves will be attached. Aligned with. Aligned. Again, another vegetable block. These are all. These are slightly costlier. 680 will be the range for the last this string. Otherwise, rest are. See the block. Vegetable dye actually. 650 will be the 650, no, not 650, 680 will be the range. Now, the last piece going to show another pure cotton. This is last, just only single color is available. 44 and 46, single color is available now. This is the piece. Pure cotton. Two side pockets are there. Only black is now available. Rest are sold. Okay. This is the last piece. If you are interested, please WhatsApp us with our WhatsApp number 8910156248. Thank you.